Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located only 5 miles from Ocho Rios town, this modern luxury hotel rests on the cool hills of Breadnut Hill, just minutes away from major tourist attractions. This great investment hotel comes with 13 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms, with panoramic views of the alluring ocean and the lush greenery of mountains and valleys. One can see the docking of cruise ships and enjoy crisp and clean country breeze. This property is in 10 minutes proximity to Duns Rivers Falls, Dolphin Cove, Ocho Rios Fishing Village, Margaritaville, major banks, and fast food restaurants. All 13 bedrooms are balconied. There is a pool, jacuzzi, restaurant, bar, sky deck with magnificent views of Ocho Rios, man-made fishing pond, and more. The sky deck is perfect for hosting hundreds of guests for large or small events. This luxury hotel is being sold with all its possessions, including 10 golf carts, complete furnishing for all bedrooms, television sets, industrial kitchen appliances, and pool furniture. The land area of this hotel is approximately 7 acres. Guys, let's take a look at this hotel and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this hotel is US 6.5 million, or approximately 1 billion Jamaican dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.